Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 won't update the system software. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. Now there's a couple different reasons your PlayStation 4 may not be able to update the system software. And the first one we want to go ahead and make sure is that we have enough space on our PlayStation 4 hard drive. So let's go to settings and then go down to storage and then calculate the system storage and just make sure we have enough free space on our hard drive. So I have 247 gigabytes available. If you do not have enough information on your hard drive available, the system software update won't update your PlayStation 4. So go to applications, go through this list and delete a game. So you can select options and delete multiple games at the same time. If you are on the original PlayStation 4, you pretty much can only have one game on there. If you're playing Modern Warfare, it takes up pretty much your entire hard drive. So go ahead and just delete as much as you can out of Capture Gallery, your applications. Now let's go on to step number 2, and that is put your PlayStation 4 safe mode menu by holding down the PlayStation button and then going down to power and then going to turn off PlayStation 4. Don't put it into rest mode, completely turn off your PS4. Now go ahead and locate the power button on the front of your PlayStation 4 and hold that down. You will hear one beep initially and then about 5 to 6 seconds later you will hear another beep. Go ahead and let go of the power button and locate a micro USB to USB cable and plug it into the front of your PlayStation 4 and then directly connect your PlayStation 4 controller because it will not work wirelessly. Now let's focus on our TV screen or monitor. Now press the PlayStation button on your controller and you will be able to operate the safe mode menu. Now first let's go to option number 5, rebuild database, and if there's any kind of corrupted data on our PlayStation 4 hard drive, this should go ahead and fix it. So when you go to the safe mode menu, it says it will take a few hours. However, it should only take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now it's going to restart your PlayStation 4 and then give you an estimated amount of time of how long it will take and then restart and your PlayStation 4 will fully boot. Now once you've completed that, go back to safe mode and then go to update system software, option number 3, and then update from the internet, option number 3 again. So this will update the system software on your PlayStation 4, and if there was kind of any corrupted data when you downloaded the original update onto your PlayStation 4, it will go ahead and give you a clean copy of the new update. So if this video did indeed help you, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the PlayStation 4 video game console coming up next on YourSixStudios.